And a snowstorm has hit northern Iraq as the central and southern parts of the country continue to battle a massive sandstorm. Images show snow-covered mountains. Iraq's northern Kurdistan region. Tourists were seen enjoying the snow in Arbil after a snowstorm hit the region.
This is the first time I come to this place. It's something new to me. It's the first time I see this in my life. The mountains, the snow, this climate and these high mountain peaks.
On
the way, they mentioned that there are dust storms in the south, but here in Kurdistan and the north, the weather is pleasant.
A massive sandstorm continues to sweep across central and southern Iraq. The storm has covered cities in a thick orange cloud, caused closure of airports and put more than 3,700 people in the hospital with breathing difficulties. This is the biggest sandstorm Iraq has seen this year. Airports in the southern provinces of Najaf and Basra have been temporarily shut down. Visibility has dropped to less than 1 kilometer. Health Ministry spokesperson Saif al-Badr has said Basra is the worst hit province, accounting for more than 1,000 of the 3,747 hospital admissions, which of course are attributed to the sandstorm. Many of those who stepped out in Basra, police and residents alike, were seen wearing face masks to protect themselves from choking. The storm began to dissipate on Tuesday morning, but Iraq's Environment Ministry has warned that more dust days are expected in the coming years. The sandstorms are a troubling sign and outcome of climate change and pose a growing health risk for millions.